I am so sorry to hear that. I was not expecting this.
I am so sorry to hear that. زه ډیره بخښنه غواړم چې دا مې واورېده. I was not expecting this. ما داسې تمه نه کوله.
It must be really hard for you. You have lost your mother.
It must be really hard for you. دا به ضرور ستا لپاره ډیره سخته وي. You have lost your mother. تا خپله مور له لاسه ورکړه.
Judy needs to rest. She has been crying for the last 6 hours.
Judy needs to rest. Judy ضرورت لري چې آرام وکړي. She has been crying for the last 6 hours. هغه د شپږو ساعتونو راهیسې ژاړي.
Excuse me.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Who are you, Sogita? What are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
I am Judy's mom lawyer. Who is Judy?
I am Judy's mom lawyer. زه د جوډي د مور وکیل یم. Who is Judy? Judy څوک ده؟
I am Judy.
I am Judy. زه جوډي یم.
Your mom applied for a personal loan. She could not pay the loan on time.
Your mom applied for a personal loan. ستا مور د شخصي قرض لپاره اپلای کړې وه. She could not pay the loan on time. هغې ونه کولی شو چې قرض په خپل وخت ادا کړي.
The bank has taken your house.
The bank has taken your house. بینک ستاسو کور واخیست.
Your mom is no more. You have also lost your company.
Your mom is no more. ستاسو مور نور نشته یعنې مړه شوې ده. You have also lost your company. تاسو خپله کمپني هم لاسه ورکړې ده.
You are broke, Miss Judy. I have to go now.
You are broke, Miss Judy. تا سره نور هیڅ هم نشته جوډي. د بروک مطلب دا دی چې چا سره نوره روپۍ نه وي. پوه شوې؟ غریبه شي روپۍ ورسره نه وي. هغه لپاره موږ بروک استعمالو. نو دا ورته وایي چې you are broke, Miss Judy. مطلب تا سره روپۍ نشته جوډي. I have to go now. زه باید اوس لاړه شم.
I have lost everything. I have lost my mom. I have lost my house.
I have lost everything. ما هر څه د لاسه ورکړل. یعنې ما هر څه له لاسه ورکړي دي. I have lost my mom. ما خپله مور لاسه ورکړې ده. I have lost my house. ما خپل کور له لاسه ورکړی ده.
How is she?
How is she? هغه څنګه ده؟
She is fine. She just passed out. She needs to
She is fine. هغه ښه ده. She is just passed out. هغه یوازې بېهوشه شوه. pass out ورته کېږي بېهوشه کېدل. She needs to rest. هغه ضرورت لري چې آرام وکړي. rest ورته کېږي آرام کوه.
rest.
Take her to her room. I need to talk to
Take her to her room. هغه خپلې کوټې ته ویسه. I need to talk to you. زه ضرورت لرم چې تا سره خبرې وکړم.
you. How did this happen? Where did you find Judy's?
How did this happen? دا څنګه واقع شول؟ Where did you find Judy's mom? تا د جوډي مور څنګه پیدا کړه؟
Mom, you have to tell me everything. How did she die?
You have to tell me everything. ته باید ماته هر څه ووایې. How did she die? هغه څنګه مړه شوه؟
Die.
Judy's mom was not missing. Judy lied.
Judy's mom was not missing. د جوډي مور ورکه نه وه. Judy lied to us. جوډي موږ ته دروغ وویلې.
To us. Rose and I went to Judy's home. Her mom was.
Rose and I went to Judy's mom. Rose او زه د جوډي مور کور ته تللي وو. Her mom was there. د هغې مور هلته وه.
There. She was hiding from us. She was on the balcony. We saw.
She was hiding from us. هغه له موږ څخه پټېدله. She was on the balcony. هغه په برنډه کې وه. We saw her. هغه ولیدله.
Saw her. She slipped and fell down from the balcony. She could not.
She slipped and fell down. هغه خوی شوه او ولوېدله. From the balcony له برنډې څخه. She couldn't survive. هغې خپل ځان بچ نه کړ.
Survive.
Oh my God. It was her plan. Judy is a cunning.
Oh my god, oh زما خدایا. It was her plan that د هغې هدف و. Judy is a cunning girl. Judy یوه چالاکه جنۍ ده. cunning ویل کېږي چالاک.
Girl. Judy can hurt Rose. What should we do
Judy can hurt Rose. Judy کولی شي چې روز ته زیان ورسوي. What should we do now? موږ باید څه وکړو؟
now?
We cannot kick her out, Mom. She has lost her mom. We have to wait for a few.
We cannot kick her out. موږ هغه نشو باسلی مورې. kick out ویل کېږي باسل یو څوک له کور څخه. She has lost her mom. هغې خپله مور له لاسه ورکړې ده. We have to wait for a few days. موږ باید د یو څو ورځو لپاره انتظار وکړو.
Few days.
We don't have other
We don't have other choice. موږ سره بل انتخاب نشته. choice ویل کېږي انتخاب ته.
choice.
What? What are you talking about? Judy does not
What are you talking about? تاسو د څه باره کې خبرې کوئ یا؟ Judy does not have a house. Judy کور نه لري.
have a house. She will not leave this house. She will
not leave this house. هغه به دا کور پرې نه ږدي. She will stay here. هغه به دلته اوسیږي. leave ویل کېږي پرېښودل او stay ویل کېږي پاتې کېدل.
stay here.
Judy lied to you. Her mom was not missing.
Judy lied to you. Judy ته د دروغ وویلې. Her mom was not missing. د هغې مور ورکه نه وه. She can hurt you. هغه کولی شي تا ته زیان ورسوي.
Can hurt you.
Nobody will kick her out.
Nobody will kick her out. هیڅوک به هم هغه بهر ونه باسي. She will stay here. هغه به دلته پاتې کېږي.
stay here.
Peter. You have to talk to Rose. She is
Peter, you have to talk to Rose. ته باید د روز سره خبرې وکړې. She is very innocent. هغه ډېره معصومه ده. innocent ویل کېږي معصومه.
very innocent.
Don't worry, Mom.
Don't worry, Mom. پریشانه کېږه مه مورې. I will talk to her. زه به له هغې سره خبرې وکړم.
Talk to her. I heard about your mom. I am so sorry.
I heard about your mom. ما ستا د مور باره کې واورېدل. I am so sorry to hear that. زه ډېر خفه شوم. زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم چې دا مې واورېدل.
Sorry to hear that. Lone Judy. I am with you. I will never leave you.
You are not alone, Judy. ته یوازې نه یې Judy. I am with you. زه له تا سره یم. I will never leave you. زه به تا هیڅکله هم پرې نه ږدم.
What?
I mean, we all are with you. You have to be brave. I cannot see you in pain.
I mean, زما مطلب دا دی. We all are with you. موږ ټول له تا سره یو. You have to be brave. ته باید زړور واوسې. brave ویل کېږي زړورې ته. I cannot see you in pain. زه نشم کولی چې تا ووینم په درد کې. pain ویل کېږي درد ته.
Thanks, Jim. I am exhausted. I want to sleep.
Thanks, Jim. مننه جیمه. I'm exhausted. زه ډېره ستړی یم. exhausted ویل کېږي ډېر ستړی. I want to sleep. زه غواړم چې ویده شم.
Sure. You need to rest. Take care, Judy.
Sure, یقینا. You need to rest. ته ضرورت لري چې آرام وکړې. Take care, Judy. خیال دې ساته Judy.
You have ruined my life, Rose.
You have ruined my life, Rose. تا زما ژوند تباه کړی دی روزه.
I have lost my mom. I have lost my house.
I have lost my home. I have lost my mom. ما خپله مور له لاسه ورکړې ده. I have lost my house. ما خپل کور له لاسه ورکړی ده.
My mom died because of you. I will not spare you.
My mom died because of you. زما مور مړه شوه ستا له وجې. I will not spare you. زه به تا پرې نه ږدم.
I will kill your baby. You have to cry, Rose. You gave me so much pain.
I will kill your baby. زه به ستا ماشوم مړ کړمه. You have to cry, Rose. ته باید په ژړا شې روزه. یعنې وژاړې. You gave me so much pain. تا ماته ډیر درد راکړی دی.
Your bad days have started. Just wait and watch.
Your bad days have started. ستا بیکاره ورځې شروع شوې دي. Just wait and watch. یوازې انتظار وکړه او وګوره.
Hello. I have a task for you. Can you do it?
Hello, سلام. I have a task for you. ستا لپاره یو کار لرمه. Can you do it? ته کولی شې دا وکړې.
If you give me money, I will do it.
If you give me money, که چیرې ته ماته روپۍ راکړې I will do it. زه به یې وکړم.
Don't worry about the money. How much money do you want?
Don't worry about the money. د روپۍ باره کې فکر مه کوه. How much money do you want? څومره روپۍ ته غواړې.
Do I have to kill someone?
Do I have to kill someone? آیا زه باید یو څوک مړ کړمه؟
Yes. You have to kill a girl. I will send you her photo.
Yes, ho, you have to kill a girl. ته باید یوه جنۍ مړه کړې. I will send you her photo. زه به تا ته د هغې عکس درولېږم.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are going to love